During his recent visit to the People's Television Network, Philippine Sports Commission Chairman Patrick Pato Gregorio shared his laid-out plans to further strengthen Philippine sports. Jamaica Bayaca has the details.
Happy Filipino athletes. That's the vision of the new leadership of the Philippine Sports Commission or PSC, headed by Chairperson Patrick Pato Gregorio. Since being appointed as the new chief of the sports agency this July, Chairperson Pato has been busy improving the welfare of our athletes. In his first week, Pato implemented an additional 5,000 allowance for our national training pool athletes and coaches, effective starting this August. Just this week, despite inclement weather, Chairperson Pato led a turnover of the new high-grade and high-performance gym equipment from the MVP Sports Foundation to the newly renovated PSC training hub in Baguio City. During his visit to PTV this Monday, the PSC chairperson said that this is just the beginning of his good plans to continuously promote Philippine sports.
Ang directive po is athletes welfare. Yan po ang utos. Alam niyo po, napaka-professional ng pamamalakad ng pamahalaan natin na talagang nandiyan yung mga gagaling na secretaries, undersecretaries, they coordinate with you, they coordinate with my office, they require me to submit reports on what we are doing. So, based yan lahat sa utos ng Pangulo. And very clear ang kanyang ang instruction sa Philippine sports, athletes welfare, tsaka talagang pagandahin naman natin ang programa ng Philippines.
Pato also stressed the importance of inclusivity for our para-athletes and support for all sports.
Inclusivity, hindi lang PWD o mga athletes natin na may kapansanan, pero talagang lumalaban para sa bayan. Wala naman po nagkakaiba yan. Inclusivity in terms of kung kaya nating suportahan yung mga elite athletes na Olympians, suportahan din natin yung wala sa Olympics pero nasa World Championship, pero nasa Asian Games. Patas ang tingin ko dyan, kasi atleta. Pag sinuot mo yung Philippine flag sa jacket mo, importante na suportahan din tao yan dahil sinuot na yung flag para sa bayan, hindi ba? Parang sundalo yan, nalalaban para sa bayan.
Gregorio expressed that the PSC is ready to serve not only athletes but all Filipinos. In fact, the PSC's track and field facilities in Malate, the PhilSports Arena Complex in Pasig, and PSC Baguio have now been opened to the public to encourage citizens to exercise.
Sa akin, basta gusto ko, happy lang kayo. Nandito po tayo sa Philippine Sports Commission na talagang nagre-reach out sa inyo to make sure that your welfare will be addressed. Yung inyong pagkain, yung inyong tracksuit, malapit na. Yung inyong tinutulugan at yung inyong sasagihang tournament. Sincere po kami dyan. We have to show the government, we have to show the 112 million Filipinos na ang Philippine Sports Commission ay para sa lahat. Ang Philippine Sports Commission ay magtataguyod even dun sa grassroots program. Tsaka yung healthy citizenry. Ibig po sabihin yan, kailangan pati yung normal na Pinoy na nagtatrabaho araw-araw can enjoy the facilities of the Philippine Sports Commission. Gagawin po natin yan sa lalong madaling panahon.
Jamaica Bayaca from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.